In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use templates in Microsoft Outlook, a simple trick that saves time and keeps your emails consistent. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. Now, click New Mail on the left side to start a draft. This is where we'll create your template. At the top of your draft window, click Insert, then select Apps. From the list, choose My Templates. Here you'll see any templates you've already saved. To make a new one, click Template and type the message you want to reuse, maybe a standard greeting, a status update, or a quick reply. Once you're happy with it, click Save. Your new template will now appear in your My Templates list, ready to insert into any future email with just a click. And that's it. You've created your first Outlook template. This small step can seriously cut down on repetitive typing and boost your productivity. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.